Okay, it's December 17th, and I shot this doe about 7:40 this morning. Didn't put a real good shot on her, so we let her lay. We come up here about 5 o'clock, started tracking her. It's about 5:20 now. She went about 100 yards or so. She's laying dead in her bed, so pretty good day.